Yo, what up, what up? So, right now we're still in Denmark, in Odense, and I'm walking to check out the skate park, check out the scene. So, yeah. But this city is like so quiet. I haven't seen not one BMX rider, so... Okay, let's check out the skate park and see if we see anybody out there. Nah, that was crazy. A bus full of chicks, bus full of girls, that was crazy. It's good, bro.
What's up, man?
It was good. You're the only BMX rider I see out here.
Yeah.
I don't see nobody else.
That's so sad, but yeah, the scene is...
Dead?
The scene is almost non-existing.
Wow.
You know, we have some old dudes that doesn't really ride anymore, hurts in the backs and stuff, you know.
Ah, damn.
And then we got some young guns, but they work all the time and, you know, chasing girls, then ride bikes, you know.
Yeah.
That's which I totally understand.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah. I came to check out the scene, but I was in Copenhagen. I didn't see anybody out there.
Okay, now the scene, I was there like a month ago, and they told me all of them, like the scene is really split up, and like people are just doing so much other stuff.
This other stuff?
You know, moving up to big bikes and downhill stuff, and
all right, I found a rider right here. Check him out. Yeah. Run it back. What do you do?
No, man. No, I'm not into that.
I found one BMX rider.
Yeah.
Well, at least tell me your name. Like, what's your name?
My name is Danny, and I love the skate park.
All right, awesome.
And I'm gonna jump this motherfucker, I guess.
Let's get it. That was good. Nah, that was good. That was good.
Yeah,
good shit.
Yeah. Oh, dude, I know this one.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I do. Like they had this, what's it called? Fucking Borough what's it called? Fucking, they had like a contest going on. They were just moving around with pros, filming in New York, different spots, and they all had to go to the same spots.
Exactly.
And then they were all going to be a is it Messi roll or
Mezzroll? You can say shout out to him if you want.
Shout out to Mezzroll all the way from Denmark, man. He's motherfuckers. Put it. Yeah, dude.
Hell yeah.
I guess I will just take it chill and take a cigarette.
Yeah. I'm just hype I saw one person, you know. I'm like, bro, I can't be here and not see one rider. It's insane, you know. So it's just really nice meeting you for sure.
Yeah, sure, man. You too. Yeah.
Let's get it.
Let's roll. Coral Records. Yeah, dude.
Thank you. And there you have it, guys. I actually found one rider, so let's get it. All right, and that was the skate park scene. Actually found one rider. That's crazy though. That's crazy. But yeah, you got to go through this path, this little trail with a bunch of trees and stuff to get to the skate park. Homies, they're really cool. Like everyone's pretty cool out there. You know, it's just a nice vibe. But unfortunately, only one rider, which is crazy. One BMX rider. Yeah, let's keep it going. You know, we'll see. Check out some other skate parks and see who I find. And yeah, hope you guys enjoying the content, and make sure you subscribe, like, all that good stuff. You already know, man. Let me know what you think so far with all the content I've been dropping. You know, just like walking through the cities, random cities that I've never been. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. See you guys.